Hi guys, I am Nash and I'm back with another video for you. If you're new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also tap the bell on so you get notified every time I post. I'm Nash, I post DIY videos, thrift lifts, thrift hauls, anything under the sun, and plants again. So guys, for today's video, we are going to do an unboxing of MNL Grow Kits, Sow and Gro Kits. So if you guys are interested, then let's get into the video. Bye!
Speak to me girlie, I'm the type of girl you call wifey.
So ayun guys, I am in my builder costume today. Paano ba yan? Kasi when I do plants, gusto ko lagi naka-jumper. Aesthetic pa rin ka, girl. Char, oh my god, nagalaw siya. So, I have something for you guys, and I'm going to unbox it for you. I got it from a friend. I ordered it from a friend, and I'm really excited to show you guys what's inside. And ito po siya. Hey, my Sow and Gro kits. So, these are plant kits, and you can order them. I'll put the link down below kung saan kayo mag-order. And these ones are ito yung pinaka-recommended for startup plant moms. And if you want your plant journey to be very productive, not just like display plants lang, here's what you can do. Buy some grow kits. Kasi it's not just a design plant, but you can grow and be sustainable here. So, I ordered herbs because I love cooking and I add so much herbs na flavor sa food. So that's how I cook. That's my secret in cooking, adding herbs. So I ordered the herbs. Ang in-order ko ay basil, chives, and cilantro. And ang pinakagamit ko dito, of course, is the basil and yung chives. And yung cilantro, lahat talaga yun. No? So, ayun. So, I'll just open one kasi pare-pareho lang naman siya. It's just seeds. So, I'll show you kung ano laman ng isang box. So, let me choose yung basil na lang. My favorite kasi of all the herbs ever. Walang pagkain, kahit adobo ata nilalagyan ko ng basil. So, let's open this. And siya na rin kasi yung ganun ko. Na-slice ko na. So, as you can see, this is box. Very aesthetically pleasing for boho minimalist plant moms out there. Or plant dads out there. Ito po. The box. So, the box has yung name ng seedlings and if you wanted to make it like a gift, dito na diretso, to and from. Then, nandito na rin yung the Merry Grow Kit contains, yung nakasulat na kung ano yung laman niya sa loob. But, I won't read it to you guys because we are going to open it right here in the tube. So, when you open it, kitang-kita mo kagad is yung instruction, yung kanyang instruction paper. There. Dito nakalagay yung how to prepare it, lalo na if you are just getting started with your plant journeys. Journeys? Ang weird talaga, swear. Journey. Plant journey. Your plant journey. So, nandito yung instructions, but before we read into the instructions, let's just look what's inside. So, nandito nakalagay sa isang brown envelope is yung seed, the seed packet. So, ito, siya ay sweet basil. I use it every time when I cook. So, may laman siyang seeds. Yay! Ang dami. Ang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 75 million. Ang dami ng seeds na laman. So, ito yung basil na seed. Nandito siya. And then, what's next sa loob ng kanyang box is ito, popsicle stick. Ito ay plant marker siguro. Yeah, dito malalagay basil. Tapos ito tusok mo. Yan. Lalo na kasi kapag hindi pa nag-umuusbong, hindi mo pa alam kung ano siya. And next is another packet. Ang laman po niya ay bio-organic fertilizer. Ayan. May fertilizer ng kasama. Complete. Kasi syempre, you're sprouting a seed. Ayan. May fertilizer. Uy, madami. Ayan. So, the next na laman is, sobrang nice. Kasi grabe, ultima yung plastic ng soil. May may print. Cute. Very aesthetically pleasing. Lalo na kapag Instagram ho, just like me. kapag gusto mo, lahat ay i-IG story. Ayan, na pati yung plastic, meron nakalagay na potting mix. O, ayan. Tapos, syempre, saan mo siya ilalagay? Sa kanyang cocoa pot. Guys, cocoa pot ay very, 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 lalo na sa mga environmentalists dyan, sa mga going green dyan, guys. Grabe, you'll love this. The cocoa pot. Yan, cocoa pot. So, ito ang laman niya, cocoa pot. The soil, the potting soil. Potting mix na siya, actually, not just garden soil. So, complete, packed with all the nutrients it needs. The seeds, the fertilizer, the plant marker, and the instruction and care tips. So, guys, pare-pareho lang sila ng laman kasama nito. So, I'll show you kung paano ko siya isi-set up at kung paano ko siya ipa-flat. So, let's get into the planting. Bye! So, here is the plant and the seed is inside this brown envelope, and I'm going to only like add a little bit of seeds. The seeds dito sa basil ay medyo marami. Pag marami ay baka mag-overcrowd siya sa soil. Now, I'm opening the soil, putting the soil inside dun sa cocoa pot. Make sure that you're not putting a lot of soil kasi you need space pa doon sa seeds at maglalagay pa ng top layer of soil. So, here, naglalagay ko na siya and hindi lahat. So, ayun, naglalagay ako ng markings kung hanggang saan lang kahaba at kadami yung soil na ilalagay ko dun sa loob ng cocoa pot. So, drench the soil in water. Make it a little bit moist but not soggy. Then, once you're back with the wet soil, you can add the seeds. Remember, when adding the seeds, don't add all the seeds, okay? But if the seed and the seed pack would be like 4, 5, 6 pieces, that's better. Here, I'm opening the basil. It's the basil seed. So, I'm trying to get like 2 seeds first. Then, I'll drop it dun sa soil. Tutuso ko na siya dun sa soil. So, carefully put it in dun sa loob. Tapos, space siya. Medj. Kasi, bawal magdikit-dikit. Sayang kasi mag-aagawan sila ng air and water, ng roots. Eh, di mo mamatay din yung magsasprout. Or baka it will not sprout at all kasi hindi maganda yung kanyang positioning. So, maybe at least 4 cm away from each other. Maliit lang naman yan. Okay? So, you can use the seeds sa susunod pang germination, sa susunod pang pagtatanim. Then, the next step would be putting yung topsoil part para naka-cover din yung layer ng seed. So, now, I'm putting the topsoil. Yung lahat na ng soil. Actually, what's good with it is Sow and Gro kit ay kung gaano talaga kadaming soil, yun talaga yung gamitin mo. Yun na siya. Fit na siya dun sa cocoa pot. Ang ganda. Then, remember, do not throw away yung plastic once matapos nating gamitin yun sa potting mix. Kasi, pwede pa natin siyang gamitin for saving up the moisture. Diba? Kasi when you germinate the seeds, medyo mas kailangan niya ng mas maraming moisture kaysa meron na siyang leaves, may plant. So, ayan. Save the plastic. So, as you can see, it's here in my balcony, my plant balcony, and I move it also closer with other plants so that the humidity will be conserved, and we'll see what will happen in 2 weeks. I'll update you in a next video. Oh, here's another fur dog to guard my plants. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.